Mesdames et Messieurs, welcome to this evening's lecture on the fundamental concepts of freedom and humanity. Today we shall explore some of my most significant quotes, which have resonated with generations seeking a deeper understanding of human nature and societal structures. Let us begin with L'homme est né libre, et partout il est dans les fers. Man is born free, and yet everywhere he is in chains. This poignant observation from The Social Contract reflects my belief that society's institutions and norms have stifled our innate liberty. We must question the legitimacy of these chains and strive to restore our natural freedom. La liberté consiste moins à faire sa volonté qu'à n'être pas soumis à celle d'autrui. Freedom is not merely doing as one pleases, but rather it lies in resisting the will of others. True freedom arises from self-determination and autonomy, which must be defended against external influences seeking to subjugate us. Now, let us explore the perils of ignorance. Rien n'est plus dangereux que la véritable ignorance et la stupidité consciencieuse. Nothing is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity. Blind adherence to beliefs without understanding or critical thinking can lead us astray, causing harm to ourselves and others. L'éducation est l'art de faire passer les idées de la tête aux mains. Education is the art of passing ideas from the head to the hands. It is not enough to possess knowledge. We must apply it in practical ways to bring about positive change in our lives and society. The question remains, how can we practically apply this concept in our own education? Embrace experiential learning, my dear students. Engage in hands-on activities, collaborate with others, and reflect on the real-world applications of the knowledge you acquire. It is through this application that true learning and growth occur. Now let us ponder the value of patience. La patience est amère, mais son fruit est doux. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Indeed, life's challenges may test our patience, but perseverance and resilience are rewarded with sweeter outcomes. La plus grande gloire n'est pas de ne jamais tomber, mais de se relever à chaque chute. The greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Failure is a part of life, but it does not define us. The true measure of our character lies in our ability to rise and learn from our mistakes. Now, let us discuss the significance of empathy and understanding. Savoir écouter, c'est posséder, outre le sien, le cerveau des autres. To know how to listen is to possess, beyond one's own, the minds of others. Empathy is a powerful tool that allows us to connect deeply with others, fostering harmonious relationships and mutual respect. Lastly, let us explore religious tolerance and humility. L'amour propre est le plus grand de tous les flatteurs. Self-love is the greatest of all flatterers. We must guard against excessive ego and pride, for they can blind us to the worth of others and lead to intolerance. Mes chers étudiants, I hope these quotes have sparked a flame within you, igniting a passion for critical thinking and self-exploration. Remember, true wisdom comes not only from books, but also from life's experiences and the connections we forge with others. These profound words continue to inspire generations. I encourage you to challenge societal norms, embrace our inherent freedom, and cultivate empathy and humility in our hearts. As we leave this lecture hall tonight, let us carry these timeless lessons and apply them to make the world a better place for all. Merci beaucoup et bonne nuit.